It's so light, it's insane. We're gonna start over here. These structures look really promising. We're gonna see what happens. Damn. This Tucktec, it's really capable. I mean, don't take it down crazy rapids or anything like that, but this thing can definitely hold its own. It's a beautiful morning. Tracks really well. Very stable. So my GoPro ended up dying before I could finish the video, so I'll just give my final thoughts and impressions of the Tucktec folding kayak. The biggest pro in my opinion is how incredibly light and portable it is. When folded up, it weighs in about 10 pounds in a length of 48 inches, height of 15 inches, and width of 9 inches. So I think it's safe to say you can easily fit it into most cars. When folded and assembled, it comes in at around 9.5 feet long. Another pro is the price. I paid $250 just for the kayak, but I believe they're currently going for $200 on Tucktec's website. It's currently August 2nd right now. Since price is relative, the $250 or $200 might be expensive to others, it might not be, so just take that into consideration. Those are the biggest pros. Now onto the cons. The long-term durability of the kayak is one thing that worries me down the line. Since owning it, I haven't had any problems with leakage or damage, but it's still something to keep in mind. It's made out of corrugated plastic, which allows it to be ultralight. Think about the construction of cardboard or signs that politicians use on lawns, but durable plastic instead. They do include a 3-year warranty, so at least you'll have protection for the 3 years. Another con is the seat. There's a bit of foam that supports the lower back and bottom, but after sitting in the kayak for like more than 2 hours, I can start to feel some lower back strain. I'm thinking about maybe adding a lightweight stadium seat or an adjustable kayak seat. My inevitable goal is that I want to turn this thing into a portable fishing kayak, so I'll need to get creative with fishing rod holders, storage, etc. I'll share what I eventually come up with in regards to that. Overall, I definitely pick up another one, like just to have. I may have to take them up on the $200 sale, or if they'd like to send me one, I'm open to that as well. I plan to make more videos down the line, so let me know what you think and what you'd like to see. I'm open to hearing what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.